I went ahead and finished off the little wire thing, and it's got rid of all this stuff, so it's smoothish. So all we need to do now is sand it down. And I'm just going to stand up real quick and just wipe all this crap off me. So, console's doing really nice, actually. All we need to do now is, if you can see in there, it's like a bit roughish. We can just clean that up real easy with this little thing right here. Yes, I do bite my nails. It's I've got a penknife right here, and I can't open any of these because my fucking nails are so... Alright, that's looking a lot better. So we just got all this crap. I'm just gonna take that off because I can't bother to switch things. I think we are pretty much done. We'll see you in the next episode.